Okay, I want to show some features of PrairieLearn. When I get a problem like this, I can always try it first in a Jupyter notebook. Here it says fix the following Python code. Okay, so I want it to print that welcome. Let me just see what it does right now. So I ran it, and then, oh, it says grading in progress, so I still have to wait. Okay, and I got 0%. Let's see what it says. Okay, so traceback, import test, input student code, line 3. Okay, here we go. At the bottom, it's got the important stuff. Syntax error, EOL, that's end of line, while scanning string literal. So I'm looking, I can go back and look at this line and say like, okay, what looks weird? And it says something about string literal, so maybe I'm going to focus on the piece that's a string. So this center part is the string. Oh, and I noticed that it has a single quote to start and a double quote to end. Let me see if I change them both to be single quotes, if I get a different error or something else. Maybe that fixes it. Oh, this one ran more quickly. So here again, I got 0 points, but I got a different error. Looks like I can look at the bottom to see, okay, name print is not defined. Okay, so I did get a different error right before I was getting that end of line while scanning string literal. So that's good. I've made some progress. Yeah, print is not defined, but like we've used print a bunch. I can look at it and say, what looks weird? I think it's a lowercase. Oh, and look, when I changed it to a lowercase, it gave me some syntax highlighting. So it made it kind of purpley pink. Okay, let's try and save and grade now. Okay, I scroll to the bottom. Oh, that show preview is just what code I ran. And then checking solution. Okay, assertion error, welcome does not equal, that's, we'll see that later on in this class, but exclamation point equal means does not equal that. So it's saying these two things aren't the same. Oh, look, and then it is trying to compare. Here's what I had, and here's what it wanted. So it looks like I'm missing that exclamation point. So I can come back up. I'll add that exclamation point in. That makes sense. So that was part of what it said to print. I'll save and grade again. Now, oh, great, I got 100%. So then when I get it all right, I don't get extra information, but for any time where I get it wrong, I can click on that checking your solution and see what Python said in reaction to my code. And then if I come back here, now that I finally got it right, I get 5 out of 5 points. So I really can use this as an opportunity to learn. I don't have to try and get it right the first time.